Already back to school season can be hard on some children. It comes with a new routine, a big transition back into the classroom, and a change in their feelings and emotions after being around their classmates and teachers once again. That's why advocates and leaders are reminding parents they're not alone when it comes to supporting their child's mental health. Fox 61's Celine Arif has more on the resources available.
For a long time, the only place for parents to take their children in a mental health crisis was the emergency room. Today, there's more options for families, and the Village here in Hartford is one of them.
Just like the name indicates, here at the Village, it's not your typical urgent crisis center.
This is a very different environment than an emergency room. So the lighting is different, the sounds are different, the pace is different.
Derek Slapp is the Vice President of Advancement and says just like the campus itself, children need somewhere calming to heal.
So it's some place that we think children are going to find inviting and a place that they can get regulated and then get the help they need.
At a press conference Wednesday, Dr. Stephen Rogers from Connecticut Children's Hospital shared suicide risk in children might be more common than parents realize.
1 in 5 children who come to our emergency department at Connecticut Children's will screen positive for suicide risk.
Suicide is one of the leading causes of death in children in Connecticut. And with September being Suicide Prevention Month, Dr. Rogers says now's the time for parents to monitor their children's moods closely and have open conversations with them about mental health.
Many of us as parents fear that talking about suicide may put those thoughts in our children's heads. But research shows it's safe.
And if parents realize their child needs professional help, he recommends an urgent crisis center like the Village, where children can get immediate care from specialists in child behavioral health. No appointment or referral needed.
My wife and I have a daughter. She's got some special needs. She's got a very complex background.
Lisa Paredes' daughter is in middle school, and she brought her to the Village for mental health help when nothing else was working.
They were able to bring my daughter's levels way down. We were brought into a room. We could stay together, which was something that also didn't happen in the emergency room.
She said it's made such a difference for her daughter that she asked to come here herself now.
Coming to a crisis center where it's more one-on-one, not only is your child being supported, but they're really looking out for the entire family.
This urgent crisis center at the Village is one of 4 walk-in centers launched across the state in the last couple of years. We'll have more resources like this available on our website. In Hartford, Celine Arif, Fox 61.